What's up, YouTube? Mr. Fraudulence here, bringing you a unboxing of the new Street Fighter Cross Tekken FightStick Pro for the PS3. Let's look at the artwork since it's really cool. We got Ryu, Chun-Li, Ken on the side with Guile. I guess Street Fighter character property over here. We got Kazuya, Nina, Hayachi, and Yoshimitsu, I think is his name. I'm not sure. We got Ugo, Poison, Third Strike characters. They're pretty cool, and though I would like to see Alex in this game. It's a sad part they didn't put him. We got King and Murdoch or Marduk. Let's see what we got on the top here. We got Sagat, Cammy, this chick with a Indian feather, this dude with glasses. I do not know any Tekken characters. I'm not a Tekken guy. I know the game, I know Jin, but I don't really play Tekken. Let's see. Oh, we got the Geef and a bear. Let's see. So there's the artwork. It tells you what you're gonna get it right here. So it looks promising. Let's see. Okay. Look, guys. Okay. Oh, nice. Wow. Already I feel a big difference coming from this, which is my old arcade stick, the Arcade Fighter. I think this will set you $20. Actually a pretty good stick. Let's see how this thing actually looks like. Let me cut this. I could take it out of the box. Alright, so the box is out. It came with this, which we don't need it. Oh shit. It's actually, wow, it's really heavy compared to the other one. Damn, this shit's like way longer. Okay. We got the PSN button. I don't know what that is. Lock and unlock. I don't know what that's for. Turbo, and there's a little, all the 8 lights to see which one you have on turbo. Oh, we got a start select button. We got where your USB cable is gonna live. And let me see. Let me just put this. It's more of a square type. It is, wow. This well, I guess you're going to the closet, buddy. Well, thanks guys for watching this. I hope this helps if you want to get one of these. It'll set you back $160 at GameStop, or you could get it cheaper at like Amazon. But yeah. Alright, thanks for watching.